Pistachio cake is one of my favorite cakes, and it's even easier to make it now that you can make it into a mug cake. The instant pistachio pudding used in this recipe gives this mug cake a great color, taste, and cake texture. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a microwave-safe cup, add all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and instant pistachio pudding mix. Stir with a fork, making sure all of the ingredients are mixed together. Add water, vegetable oil, and almond extract. Stir with a fork, making sure all of the mixture from the bottom and sides of the cup are mixed together. If you would like a darker pistachio mug cake, add 1 or 2 drops of green gel food coloring. Microwave for 60 to 70 seconds and let cool for 5 minutes. Top this pistachio mug cake with frosting, ice cream, whipped cream, or eat it plain. I loved adding chopped up pistachios on top for a nice crunch. Check out other great eggless mug cake recipes like coconut, carrot, or ice cream mug cakes in the link above or in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.